Well, I've got something special to bring in, but every time I go to bring it in, it's bloody raining. It's that thing over there. No roof on it. It's a bit like a motorcycle at the front, but at the back it's like a car. Let's go have a look at it. It's a Rewaco RF1. Half car, half motorcycle. It's in for an MOT and a small service. It's got a 1.5 litre turbocharged Mitsubishi engine. So we do bikes and cars here. So that end we'll do a car service, that end we'll do a bike service. Well, I need to get into the workshop. Now if I drive that thing on forwards, it's just going to fall in the hole. So it's got to come in backwards. We have a plate here where we do class 3 MOTs. Class 3 is generally trikes. But this particular trike, because it weighs more than 450 kilos, it actually classes a car weight-wise. But yes, it is a three-wheeler. So this plate's going to go in the centre here, and we're going to back it in so that the back wheels will be on the ramp here, left and right, and the front wheel will stay on the plate. Now, since I'm the boss here, I'm not going to drive it in wet, so we're going to get Luke to drive. Manoeuvre it in. So I'm going to put the plate down now. And this is the underside of the Rewaco. You have multi-link suspension system. Mitsubishi engine. Automatic gearbox. I've just MOT'd it, so to do some minor headlight adjustments because one was down, one was up. I can't check seat belts unfortunately because there's none there. Everything is good, suspension's good, tyres are good, lights work. brakes work. So now the MOT's done, we can get it up and do an oil and filter change on it and get it back to the customer. Now we need to fill it with oil, we need to get into there. And there's the engine. But we also have a little boot here as well. So we need to get the oil down there without spilling a drop. I lift the cover, you can see it's hitting this armrest. Same as the other armrest. So if we open this latch up, we can flip this armrest up and hopefully open the cubby hole a bit higher. Cubby hole is up, cover is up. Hole is more accessible. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. The job wasn't anything out of the ordinary, an MOT and oil change, but it was an unusual vehicle. It's not one you see every day. We do quite a variety of trikes and quads, which you don't see. We do class 3 MOTs, which is trikes, and the next nearest one's about 30 miles away, so we get a vast amount of trikes that come here. So it keeps our day interesting. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, please hit the like button, the share button and the bell notifications to notify next time I upload a video. Take care guys.